So in this short video, we'll show you how you can take a numerical model forecast and then import that in the decline curve analysis feature. So let's say I have this particular well right here. I've added a forecast that I have forecasted out for 30 years. And I wanted to see how my DCA would compare if I actually counted for this numerically derived forecast. And to do that, I have to have run a forecast in the numerical RTA feature. And if I then go into the DCA feature, you'll see that there will be a little button up here that is called Import Numerical Forecast. So this is my forecast before I have included the forecast. I can go in here and use, for instance, my spray gun tool, make this a little bit bigger, and then say, okay, after we got this thing off production, I'm gonna forecast the whole thing right there. Okay, huge GOR right here if I trusted these numbers. If I actually would do this manually, maybe I would go in and adjust it a little bit. Anyways, if I want to then go in and compare this to my numerical forecast, I can click Import Numerical Forecast. The numerical forecast will then be added in the future here, and I can go ahead and then try to fit that. So for instance, I can go in here and say, okay, and this is my start date, and then I'd like to auto fit the rest to get a little bit better fit here at the end of history, and I end up with a B factor around 0.5. And I can then call that, for instance, numerical forecast, and have that as a case. In this case, it ended up being way more conservative, I'd say, than the other scenario.